Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. First level we'll start off with is support, and the price actually already got near a pretty important and historic level of support, and so far so good. The price did hold, and I realize things are getting a little bit more difficult to see, but that just really shows that it's been a long time since the price has been down this low. But that important level of support sits right there at $3.75. And if you go through the history of the chart, you can see $3.75 acted as support there, acted as support once again, and then you fast forward to today's price movement, and sure, the price did temporarily break down below it, but overall that didn't last too long, and the price snapped back above it. And then as of right now, you can see that the price is once again not quite at $3.75, but hovering right around that area. So that's definitely a very, very important level of support, and one of those levels where this is not some great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this level and is wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty dynamic price movements, and that's what we have going on with $3.75. In the event $3.75 is not broken, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, or in the event I should say that it is broken, no such thing as a guarantee, but the next key overarching level of support, not until down there around the 360 mark. So like I said, not saying it would shoot straight down to 360, but also would not be shocking at all to see the price then just continue to drift down to at least that level, if not lower. Now I'll zoom back in here that we've got support levels taken care of. What about areas of resistance in the event that the price bottoms out here and then starts to bounce? In terms of where the sellers are at, in the very near term, first key level is just kind of the top portion of this little miniature channel that formed right there at 385. So 385, first key battleground. If that's broken, the next key overall level after that, not until right up there at the round number of $4. So there's definitely some room for this thing to make some worthwhile movements if there can be a bounce back to the upside. So we'll see what happens with it. Definitely a very interesting setup from the trading standpoint, and still a couple days left this week. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.